Glenmore Heights Apartments is located in the heart of Calgary, and puts everything you need right at your fingertips. Surrounded by beautiful landscaping, this premium high-rise rental building is the perfect place to call home. It's easy to get around Calgary from Glenmore Heights Apartments. Hop on the C train at your doorstep, catch a local bus, or you can take any of the highways surrounding the property such as McLeod Trail, Glenmore Trail, or Elbow Drive. You can walk to local coffee shops, restaurants, and grocery stores. When it comes to shopping, dining, and entertainment, Chinook Centre with all its shops, restaurants, and Scotiabank Cineplex will become your favorite go-to place in the neighborhood. The Military Museum of Calgary is also a popular attraction. Golfers will find plenty of places to hit the links not too far from home. The spacious and freshly painted suites include bachelor, 1- and 2-bedroom apartments. The large, airy suites feature luxury vinyl plank flooring and private balconies with stunning views of the beautiful landscaping and scenic vistas surrounding the property.